Think of it like this: you need a vehicle. Both a pickup truck and a sedan will get you from point A to point B, right? But they're designed for different tasks. The pickup is built for hauling materials and tackling tough terrain, while the sedan prioritizes passenger comfort and fuel efficiency on paved roads. Similarly, Jobber and Square offer solutions for businesses, but their strengths lie in different areas. So, let's dive deep and unpack the key distinctions between Jobber and Square, helping you figure out which one might be the perfect vehicle to drive your business forward. First up, let's talk about their primary focus. At its heart, Jobber is a comprehensive field service management (FSM) software. Its core strength lies in organizing and optimizing the day-to-day operations of businesses that send technicians or service providers out into the field. Think plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, cleaners, landscapers, and the like. Jobber is designed to handle the entire workflow, from the moment a customer requests a service to the final invoice and payment. Square, on the other hand, started as a payment processing platform. While it has evolved significantly over the years to offer a broader suite of business tools, its foundational strength remains in facilitating seamless and secure transactions. Square excels at enabling businesses to accept payments in various forms, whether in person, online, or on the go. Its expansion into other areas like customer relationship management, CRM, marketing, and even basic appointment scheduling has made it a versatile tool, particularly for smaller businesses and those with a strong emphasis on retail or point-of-sale interactions. Now, let's delve into some specific feature categories to highlight their differences. Scheduling and dispatch. This is where Jobber truly shines. It offers robust tools for managing schedules, assigning jobs to team members based on availability, skills, and location, and optimizing routes to minimize travel time and maximize efficiency. Features like drag-and-drop scheduling, calendar views, and real-time technician tracking are central to the Jobber experience. Square offers appointment scheduling, which is useful for businesses that operate on a scheduled basis, but it lacks the advanced dispatching and route optimization capabilities of Jobber. Job management. Jobber provides a comprehensive system for managing individual jobs. This includes creating detailed quotes, tracking job progress, managing job-specific notes and attachments, and facilitating communication between the office and the field. Square's capabilities in this area are more basic, primarily focused on creating invoices and processing payments related to services rendered. Invoicing and payments. Both platforms handle invoicing and payments, but their approach differs. Jobber's invoicing is tightly integrated with its job management system. Once a job is complete, converting the work order into a professional-looking invoice is seamless. It offers various payment options and tracks payment status effectively. Square, as its core strength, offers a wide array of payment processing options, including credit and debit cards, mobile payments, and even buy now pay later options. While it can generate invoices, the process is often less integrated with detailed job tracking compared to Jobber. Client management, CRM. Both platforms offer CRM functionalities to manage customer information. Jobber allows you to store detailed client profiles, track service history, and manage communication logs. Square also provides customer profiles and tracks purchase history, which is particularly useful for businesses focused on repeat customers and loyalty programs. Jobber's CRM features are often more tailored to the needs of service-based businesses, allowing for tracking of service locations, specific client preferences, and communication related to service appointments. Mobile capabilities. Both Jobber and Square offer mobile apps that allow field teams to access crucial information and perform tasks on the go. Jobber's mobile app empowers technicians to view their schedules, update job statuses, access job details, capture photos and notes, and even generate invoices in the field. Square's mobile app primarily focuses on payment processing, allowing businesses to accept payments anywhere. While it offers some features for managing appointments and viewing sales data, it doesn't have the same level of field service management capabilities as Jobber's mobile app. Integrations. Both platforms integrate with other business tools, but their integration ecosystems reflect their core focus. Jobber integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, as well as various marketing and communication tools relevant to field service businesses. Square integrates with a wide range of e-commerce platforms, marketing tools, and other business applications, reflecting its broader appeal to different types of businesses. Pricing structures also differ. Jobber typically offers tiered subscription plans based on the number of users and the features included. These plans are designed to accommodate the varying needs of growing field service businesses. Square's pricing for payment processing is usually based on a per-transaction fee. While it offers various subscription plans for its broader suite of tools, the core payment processing aspect remains transaction-based. Target audience. This is perhaps the most significant differentiator. Jobber is primarily designed for businesses that provide services in the field. Its features are specifically tailored to manage the complexities of scheduling, dispatching, job tracking, and invoicing for mobile workforces. Square, while increasingly versatile, is often a strong choice for businesses that need robust payment processing capabilities, particularly those with retail or point-of-sale operations. Its broader suite of tools can be beneficial for smaller businesses that need an integrated platform for payments, basic CRM, and potentially some appointment scheduling. To illustrate with a few examples, a plumbing company with multiple technicians on the road managing various service calls would likely find Jobber scheduling, dispatching, and job management features invaluable. A small retail store that needs a reliable point-of-sale system for processing payments, managing inventory, and building customer relationships might find Square to be a great fit. A freelance photographer who takes on client projects and needs to send invoices and accept payments online could potentially use either platform, but their primary need for payment processing might lean them towards Square, while more complex project management might suggest Jobber. A cleaning service that sends teams to different client locations and needs to manage schedules, track job completion, and invoice clients would likely benefit significantly from Jobber's field service focus. It's also important to note that the lines can sometimes blur. A small service business with only 1 or 2 technicians might find that Square's appointment scheduling and invoicing features are sufficient for their needs, especially if payment processing is a primary concern. Conversely, some businesses that started with Square for payment processing might outgrow its field service capabilities as their team and complexity increase, leading them to explore dedicated FSM software like Jobber. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.